So this Seeding Songs project it's an amazing project. It's very different from what we usually see on regenerative projects, and it's a very good complement to the project we are implementing. The songs come to really support their work and motivate them, and also for the divulgation, to spread the message and the good practices. Also create new cultural contents based on that best practices on agroforestry, on the respect for nature, for people, social justice also for rural communities. So this is all about Veja's work.